Welcome back to another M3 video. It's actually been a couple of weeks since I've actually worked on this. I've actually been taking some time off in general just because I've had another tooth extraction and I'm tired. I've been doing this thing for, I don't even know how long, not the M3, but YouTube. And I actually just finished watching today the episode of the Grand Tour. And it's got me thinking about the Evo and James May crashing the Evo, and if I give this away, is some yobbo gonna write it off? If James May can write off a car, so Trav will do it in a couple of seconds. So we were trying to peel off all the tape because it was taped up for safety. Say it.
My balls are bigger than yours.
We were gonna try and do like the, oh, look how one peel, but as you can see, it's a bit shite. In this box, well, you've seen the title, you know it's a wang. This is the first big wang on one of my cars.
Really?
It is, it's the first big wang.
Wow.
I ordered this maybe 4 months ago, 5? A long time ago.
You got it when we got the car.
Yeah, so it's been that long. And all the updates I got was like, it's coming from America. I hope it is it, because that would...
Oh no.
Oh no, they've given me...
some paper. Oh, I was going to make a mess.
It is. The wing's just there, so I can probably pull it out.
Yeah.
No. No. Well, if that's not a wing, I don't know what it could be. That is massive. Doesn't even have the end plates on it yet.
I've done this.
You're not stealing my wang.
Steal your wang any day.
I know everyone's shouting at me about the side exhaust. We don't have the proper engine in there, so it doesn't make sense. This is one of the most important bits to me. I mean, this, but also this. Ooh. Should I get one for the Supra? Some people still think I have that. Watch my videos. Check it out, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber?
Oh, yes.
Carbon fiber. Is that racist?
I don't know. I'm a person of colour, I can get away with it.
I can't. I've been blacklisted from YouTube now.
Don't do this to your sons. Carbon fibre. Very nice. There it is. Got like a little lip on it, that's quite cool.
It's got some fingerprints and things on it.
That's probably me.
We should clean it.
It's a good idea. So we're putting it together, just piecing it, and as you can see, these are quite big. The idea is just to, I think, hopefully we can just trim them a little bit, and it looks a little something like this on the actual M3. Look at the size of it. My wang is massive.
Jesus. Is that what you say to all the girls?
Here's the end plates, and it is, of course, from APR Performance. Very, very epic. As I said, took a long time, but it looks awesome. Your wang is massive.
How's it look?
Big.
I can't let go, so it'll fall off.
That looks huge. So of course the step now is to trim these down to make it fit. I know it's not going to be as strong, but it's a show car pretty much. I mean, not in this state, but with some detailing products it might be.
Do you have any?
I think so. I think we're doing all right there. Tell me your big brain idea.
Well, I'm just thinking, how am I going to get these cut exactly the same? So I'm just going to bolt them together.
It's a good idea.
I can find this shit. I can't hear a thing now.
You can see where you did it nicely. And then we kind of just thought, yeah, why not? It is time, friends. Drilling is beginning. Oh.
That's having a good time.
I'm sat here trying to decide about these. So basically, this build has become a bit of a mishmash. I think most of the things are siding with heat, just because most of the parts in heat are new, and therefore this is new. It's just easier. I've got a whole Google Drive full of images that I took of the M3. And actually, massive shout out to Crowned. He's actually helped me with some reference pictures he used for the livery and stuff, which is going to be helpful later, but also just showing the differences between this car and the Most 105 one. So on heat, it doesn't have the little plate on the bottom, and on 05, it possibly does. I'm not 100% sure. You seem like you've done this before. Have you actually installed a wing before?
Not like this, no.
No. I've never done it. I was always worried about it, but like, It doesn't seem too bad if you got a wing that's like naturally fitting.
It's not. It's like everything. You just measure it a few times.
Yeah,
make sure you get it right.
Yeah. Like I never thought about. I remember early on thinking that they just kind of attach it all the way. But no, you just holes. But then you got to drill in your boot. But boots are not expensive. I've paid what did I pay? It's like 60 quid for that. No, I don't even think it was that. So now I need to install wings on everything. Here we go. Here she goes. This is a big moment. It's also a big wing.
Yes.
Oh my god. That is huge. We do have end plates, don't we? It looks a bit funny without the end plates, doesn't it?
Yeah, one thing I did notice when I was tying it up, the pillars like that at the moment.
Okay.
But it's because of the curvature of the boot.
Yeah.
Just pulling them apart. So minimum downforce. Minimum. And maximum.
That's properly aggressive.
Is that maximum? No.
That's maximum.
That's maximum.
End plates. There you go. It looks a lot more normal now because the end plates. The end plates help a lot, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so sick with the wide arches and the wing. There was a wing that was actually wider than the arches, but no, I think this is a lot better. I also think it's illegal to have a wing bigger than the car.
Yes, you can't have it.
Could you slice someone's head off?
Yeah.
It's a bit dusty, Dale. Do you have anything?
Well, I do. I've got the finest quick detailer in the world. I have ultimate cloth.
Look at that. It smells so good.
It does, doesn't it?
Again, if you missed it, this is just not just a random placement. This is our product, and you can buy it. Please.
We need bigger wings.
We do. We need more wings for more cars, so please.
E36 is next.
We've pushed it back just so we can see a little bit better of the rear. Wait. Holy crap. That looks proper. The rear bumper is still not quite on, but we've got to do this side of the... It's not worth showing you both sides, so we're not going to do a whole video on that like we did the one side, but that is awesome. I need a wider lens for this little camera. It is. That looks sick. That looks so sick. And Dale's letting us know that it's not an M3. It is, look, there was an M3 badge.
I know, exactly, that's why I put it there. No up badging on this thing. But
we're going to take some pictures with this. Please buy it. And I need to go get my camera because I didn't bring it. We're acting like it's a surprise for you, but it's for me.
It's for you.
Turn around, have a look at the big wang.
Oh my god.
Go look at it from the side profile because then you get to see the arch and the wing.
Oh my god.
How
That's
crazy
amazing,
is that?
Actually.
It's not 100% finished, but come look at the back of the car. You've seen the M3 how many times, but how cool does that look?
God.
Doesn't that look like the car?
Yeah, that's amazing.
I love it so much. That's so good.
So cool.
We cut the exhaust off, so it actually sounds pretty good. I just realised these boot lights are going to stay on, aren't they?
probably. Like a 5-year-old, you can't see the steering wheel.
I know we're nowhere near being done, but it's just so cool to see it moving. What a mega car. Time for my first drive of the M3, not M3 GTR. See if I can move it without stalling it. Pretty epic. Oh my god, I feel the floor vibrating. Alright. And that concludes my first drive. It sounds good. Anyway, that is pretty much it. The wing is on. We need to paint it and we need to trim these and cut them perfectly, but of course the wing is on. That's what we want. I was actually surprised. It sounds pretty good, to be fair, but V8. V8 better. So thanks so much for... Oh wait, that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to smash a like, subscribe if you're new. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
And I'll see you in the next M3 video. Until next time, peace.